We are pleased to show you the 2013 Beetle Sport. The VW Beetle rekindled the magic of its legendary namesake and became a ray of sunshine in an all-too-serious car market. The Volkswagen Beetle is among the top 10 best-selling nameplates of all time, ranking right up there with the Ford Model T in terms of numbers sold. The design of Volkswagen's Beetle captures the essence of the original bug and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.